Hello guys, welcome back to ZTech, and today in this video I will tell you how can you get your community tab after completing 1000 subscribers. So let's get started. First of all, get subscribed to this channel because I upload this type of technology content on this channel. First of all, let me tell you how I got my community tab. You can see that I have my community tab. Let me show you that. As you can see, I have my tab already. Now let me show you how you can get your community tab as soon as possible. So first of all, open YouTube, click on your channel and go to help and feedback option. The interface will look like this. You have to click on send feedback. After clicking on send feedback, now here you have to write your note for YouTube. Here you will write, dear YouTube, I have completed my 1000 subscribers. Kindly provide me my community tab as soon as possible. You can write anything here, but I am writing this. After writing this note, you have to click on send button, which is given in the corner, and just wait for the YouTube mail, or you can check your community tab. After some time you will get the community tab 100%.